This video will show you how to use your credit card to purchase documents that you've added to your list cart. Note that you need to have a list account to do this. If you do not have a list account yet, other videos in our YouTube channel will help you create one. Click on the link in the top right of screen to view that now. To view the contents of your cart, click on the cart link next to the cart icon in the top right of the screen. Your cart will appear. The documents you've selected will be shown along with property details and document price. You can modify the contents of your cart. If you decide that you don't require a document, you can remove it from your cart by selecting the relevant checkbox and then clicking on the rubbish bin icon. You can delete all of the items in your cart by clicking on the Clear Unpurchased Items button. Once you're happy with the contents of your cart and you're ready to begin your purchase, click on Credit Card Purchase. A pop-up box will appear warning you not to use the back button once you've started the checkout process. Click Checkout. Making a purchase by credit card is a simple three-step process. Firstly, confirm that the items listed at the top of the page are correct. Then, enter your credit card details, including the card type, credit card number, expiry date, and card verification value. Finally, proceed to the next step by clicking Next. You also have the option of cancelling the transaction if you like. You'll see your confirmation screen. Check that your credit card details are correct and click Confirm. There may be a short delay while your details are verified. If your purchase has been successful, a tax invoice will appear. You can print this page if you'd like a copy, then click Finish. Your order will appear and PDFs of your documents will be shown. Note that the documents will not be emailed to you. Click on a PDF link to open a document. You can print the document now or save it to your computer, which will allow you to access it again at a later time. Use the back button in your browser to return to the other documents or print or save them. Please note that if you close your browser, you will need to log in to the list again and return to your account. You can access documents that you've purchased within the past 14 days by clicking on the My Account link at the top right of the list homepage. Under the Orders and Invoices section, click on View Client Orders. A list of your previous orders will appear. You can open an order by clicking on the blue icon and then open the relevant documents by clicking on the PDF links. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right of your screen. There are more videos and help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the LIST website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.